Introducing these new gun cleaning kits by GLORYFIRE. These handy all-in-one cleaning kits come with everything you need to care for common caliber firearms, including shotguns, rifles, and pistols. The brass cleaning rods are very high quality, thicker than other products on the market, which makes them harder, more durable, and longer lasting. GLORYFIRE offers two types of cleaning kits to suit your needs, with loops and jags made from high-quality plastic or CNC precision machined slotted brass. You will never experience the frustration of accessories being damaged in the barrel. The mops and brushes are tough and durable, built to give you a superb cleaning experience every time. The GLORYFIRE gun cleaning kit comes in a durable plastic tote that makes it easy to carry everywhere you go. Keep your firearms in prime condition with GLORYFIRE.